I missed 1,000 moments, I traded precious time, tracing the stars for answers and fighting through the night, searching for hidden treasure to catch a distant dream. I couldn't see the daylight in front of me. I trusted with tomorrow, I let go of the past, not staring at the future. This moment's all I have. From darkness into color, you've opened up my eyes. You're everything I see. You're the reason I'm a fan.